know this isn't my first rodeo, so why do I have to explain?
We had 2 nights in Nullarbor Roadhouse. There's the night with the thunderstorm. Didn't get a lot of sleep. But yesterday evening, there was another couple of cyclists that had stopped briefly before carrying on a bit further. Kim and Dan. And they've inspired us to try and get all the way from the Nullarbor Roadhouse to Nundrew today. It's about 145 kilometres, so we've got up reasonably early. We're hoping that the wind's on our side today. It certainly is feeling a bit better than the last couple of days, so we'll see how we go. If we don't make it, we don't make it, but we're going to try and hopefully catch up with Dan and Kim when we get to Nundrew. $5K away from Nundrew. Oh, I'm really feeling it now. It's probably the hilliest day we've had so far. We've got picked up a bit of a headwind for the last 30K or so it's really tough going. Hopefully have some food and then do another 10K to where we're going to stop for the night. Maybe, but by the time we get to the Roadhouse, this will already be our furthest day. A little bit extra, just make it a little bit further for us. So we made it. We have done 154 kilometers, managed the final 10K to a rest area where we stayed the night. So Dan's just off having some coffee at the bench, and Kim's already decided to power ahead to Sejuna. We're going to stay in Penang tonight and see the Pink Lake, and then head into Sejuna tomorrow, and then meet up with those guys and have pizza and a beer. Just on our way to Penang. We're only about 5K outside of it, and we just came across this. A couple of beers to the cyclists and a little note. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you so much from Grace and Soph in the beeping van. Thank you so much. That is very kind. We will definitely drink those later.
Pie time.
So this is a new one for me, and I guess you're only going to get this in Australia. I got a kangaroo pie.
What?
Yeah. Kangaroo pie. Oh, this one's nice and flaky. Ooh. So this is what I've been missing. Every single Australian pie hasn't really been flaky crust, and this crust looks amazing. Oh, really deep fill as well. This is going to be a good one. God, that's quite a bite. Mmm. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Mmm. This is such a feast. Look at all this.
Pie time.
Was meant to be, then why does it keep falling off?
So I made it to Sejuna. Finally finished the Nullarbor. We had a shower, went and got some food. Now we're gonna eat and drink some beer.
We've been down this road before. Every exit is a door, locked from the inside.